Respected parents of my students, directors of Krishnaveni Talent Schools, staff of Krishnaveni Talent School and Rainbow Primary Schools, and my dear students. Happy Republic Day. Today on January 26th, every year we celebrate Republic Day. Our country, India, became Republic nation on this day on 1950 January 26th. In spite of getting independence on 1947 15th August, after formation of Constitution Committee under the leadership of Dr. B.V. Ambedkar, this day on January 26th, Constitution is being implemented. Therefore, we celebrate Republic Day on this particular day. There is one interesting historical reason is also there. On January 26th itself, in the year 1930, National Indian Congress declared India as completely independent country. They have declared Purna Swaraj on this particular day in their Lahore meeting. Therefore, to recollect that incident, January 26th is selected as Republic Day for our country. My dear students, we got all the rights, fundamental rights, because of our Constitution. So, as the citizens of the country, we should respect the Constitution. We should respect the Constitution by expecting not only our rights but also our responsibilities. Therefore, I advise all my dear students on the day of Republic Day, let us have an oath. Let us take a decision to follow all the rules and regulations of the country and help our fellow citizen. You are all aware, this particular year, which is just gone, just completed, that is our 2020, we have undergone a great difficult time. We all, not only the Indians, throughout the world, everybody undergone very painful days. Therefore, in this complicated situation, we should all help one another. If you are in a position of helping others, certainly we should try our best to help our fellow citizen. On this auspicious day of Republic Day, my dear students, let us all rethink on this particular issue. Definitely, the Constitution has given us great relief of life, great relief of living respectable life on this land. The way the Constitution has given the great relief to us, we should also allow our fellow citizen to live respectable and reliefful life. For that, we should respect our fellow citizen. My dear students, on this occasion, I advise all of you, along with your studies, you should take a decision to support your fellow classmate through your education, because these are only the days where we will sit for a moment and think for ourselves and for our people. These are the days. These are the days we have we have undergone several difficult situations of staying back at home. We are not able to work, we are not able to study, we are not able to come out of the home because of pandemic. Now, now our great scientists have found the vaccine for COVID. For that reason, the government is also able to start processing the vaccination. Because of that, the ray of hope is initiated to reopen the schools. By utilizing all these opportunities, let us all rededicated ourselves towards the work. As the students, I advise to all of you to restart your studies in a proper manner. In Krishnaveni Talent Schools and Rainbow Primary Schools, we have started online classes almost from June 2020 itself. We have tried our best to reach each and every student of Krishnaveni Talent School and Rainbow Primary School, which is through our in-house technology. Our IT department and under the leadership of our directors, our IT experts have developed a proper technology through learning management system. We have conducted the online classes for all the classes from UKG to LKG to 10th class. Through this online classes, we have conducted proper classes in all the subjects. Anyway, these classes will continue for this academic year. But now the government is planned to start offline classes, that means physical classes for 9th class and 10th class students. Therefore, I advise all the students to utilize this opportunity and attend the classes as per the directions of the government. At the same time, I request the parents community. I know we all faced great difficulty in this pandemic time. It became very difficult for the parents to support the students in academic matters at home. In this pandemic time also, our teachers has done great work in conducting online classes. By considering all this, I request the parents to support the schools, to support the school for the betterment of their children. If the parents support the school by paying the fees, then only the private schools can support the teachers and thereby the good education can be provided to the children. Therefore, once again, I request all the parents to show interest in paying the fees of their children. I once again appreciate all the staff members, all the teachers of Krishnaveni Talent Schools and other non-teaching staff also, in spite of a tragic and very difficult situation, the teachers are extended their support and taught in online classes, thereby the students' education is continuing in a proper manner. On this occasion of Republic Day, once again, I congratulate all the students, staff, and also the parents of my students. Thank you. Jai Hind.